Welcome back to Cars Trends, your premier destination for in-depth automotive reviews and the latest industry insights. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of American muscle with the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This iconic vehicle has long been a symbol of power, performance, and heritage, and the 2025 model continues this legacy with remarkable enhancements. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Shelby GT500 a standout in the modern muscle car arena. The 2025 Shelby GT500 commands attention with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The front fascia features a prominent grille and sleek LED headlights, enhancing its menacing presence. Functional air vents and a sculpted hood not only contribute to its bold aesthetics but also improve engine cooling and aerodynamics. The wide stance, muscular fenders, and rear spoiler underscore its performance capabilities, while quad exhaust tips hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. Under the hood, the 2025 GT500 houses a formidable 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, enabling rapid gear shifts and seamless power delivery. The GT500 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds, showcasing its supercar-level performance. An advanced suspension system and performance-tuned chassis ensure precise handling, making it equally adept on the track and the open road. Inside, the Shelby GT500 offers a driver-focused cockpit that blends performance with modern amenities. Premium materials, including leather and Alcantara, adorn the seats and trim, providing both comfort and sophistication. The flat-bottom steering wheel, equipped with integrated controls, enhances the sporty feel. A 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen infotainment system keep drivers connected and informed. Features such as dual-zone climate control and ambient lighting add to the overall driving experience. The 2025 GT500 is equipped with advanced technology to enhance both performance and safety. Ford Copilot 360 registered technology offers a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The Track Apps feature provides performance metrics, allowing drivers to monitor the driving dynamics. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. An available premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, complementing the car's exhilarating performance. Despite its performance focus, the Shelby GT500 offers a degree of practicality. The cabin provides ample space for both driver and passenger, and the trunk offers reasonable cargo capacity for a sports car. Selectable drive modes allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's dynamics to different driving conditions, enhancing its versatility. While primarily designed for performance, the GT500's comfort and technology features make it suitable for daily driving. In the competitive landscape of high-performance vehicles, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 holds a distinctive position. It combines classic American muscle car heritage with modern technology and performance, appealing to both traditional enthusiasts and new generation drivers. Its blend of power, design, and advanced features ensures its status as a formidable contender in the performance car segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 embodies the spirit of American muscle with contemporary advancements. Its aggressive design, potent engine, and modern amenities make it a compelling choice for those seeking performance without compromise.